We're not getting that many earnings reports this week, so why am I doing a video? Because there are 5 must-see earnings reports that you should still check out, even though we're not getting hundreds of earnings reports. These are the ones I'm going to be watching this week, at least the beginning part of the week. You're going to want to tune into these too. Let's get right to it. First one out the gate is Amborella. This one, as you can see, they have a great earnings track record with these big beats. Those long green arrows mean it's a big beat, but as you can also see, the shares really haven't gone anywhere for a couple of years here. They're pretty much tied into GoPro and that whole area segment, and it's just not really going anywhere. But we're going to see, what they report, and maybe the shares can get a boost here. Then we're going to switch over to some of the retailers. Urban Outfitters is one of the big names, and as you can see, it's turned it around quite a bit in the last year and a half. But the shares have also sold off there, along with a lot of the retailers at the end of 2018. So this is a key one I'm going to be watching because they're going into some interesting areas, like the food business area. They got kind of mocked when they bought a pizza chain, but now food in restaurants and the entertainment experiences that affords are becoming a big in thing. So that's something to watch. Also watch Anthropology, one of its biggest brands. That has seen a turnaround over the last couple of quarters with much better same-store sales comps. Did it hold that in the holiday season? We're going to find out. And then we're going to switch over to one of the charts that's not so great, but everybody's going to be watching it, I feel, anyways. Or maybe it's just me, because I like this area. Thor Industries. If you're not aware, these are the RVs. They have the Airstream, and as you can see, 3 misses in a row. They're getting hit by the tariffs, higher commodity prices, and then fears that the buying by the baby boomers is done. But is it? I don't know. Earnings are expected to be down double digits this fiscal year, which goes into the middle of the year, but rebounding another 21% next year. So could just be that right now is where they're taking the hit. We're going to see, but shares are trading at 12 times. Is it a deal here? Is it still cheap? And then we're going to switch over to YAKS. Now, they do online brand management, but they haven't missed since 2017. So that's a pretty good track record. It's at least a meet or beat all these quarters. But boy, what a wild ride this one has been, especially if you're in it for most of 2018. You almost came full circle there, but big off the lows there. Can it hold it? Or we're going to see continuing volatility like this? We're going to see. And then switching back to the retail side, j.jill. This is one of my favorites in the specialty retail. It's on women's apparel. But as you can see, too, this has been a wild ride as well, even though they haven't missed since 2017. But same-store sales and spending on some of their infrastructure has been some of the key issues. Can these shares get some momentum back to the upside here in 2019? We will see along those lines as well. So as you can see, a lot of we shall see what's going to be happening. That's common with the retail, especially this quarter, because we're getting the holiday quarter. So a lot is going on out there with a lot of these companies, and that's why I designated them the must-see charts of this week. But we're also getting a lot of the other big retailers like Costco, so you don't want to miss a single thing. I'll be tweeting out a lot of these earnings charts separately on my Twitter feed, so you can check out there, Tracy Reineck at twitter.com. But otherwise, you can check out all the videos. I'm continuing to have videos next week because we're getting more retailers and a couple good tech names too. So you don't want to miss a single episode or a single video at all. So be sure to subscribe so that you're notified when you get a new video in. That's on YouTube. You can go to zacks.com/YouTube to get our channel. But make sure you're getting everything because earnings season isn't over yet. We're still going to get quite a few interesting names here at the very end of earnings season, and then we'll take a break. So be sure to tune in and get these last stragglers, and I'll see you then.